Hello, all you wonderful people out there. How's everybody doing? Look what I got today in the post. My new tapping block, 2-inch. Wrong one I got, 2.5-inch, too big. Sexy, yeah, sexy. Right, enough of that. So, this is a 2019 Canadian $2 75th anniversary of D-Day. And this was sent to me by a good friend now, Ian from Canada. Thanks, man. So first of all, we have to bang a hole in it, and I can't do that because it's got a brass insert. So I will use my new tapping block. We go over to Big Red. I'm still shocked about them coins, man. Unbelievable. Right. We'll use this little gadget. It's another little toy I got through the post the other day. I think this is going to be too small to make a coin out of, a ring out of. That's a 6pence. That's as small as I can usually go, but I'll give it a go. I'll put it up here. I'll have a play with it one day. So there you go. That's where we are so far. It needs a little bit of cleaning up with Christy Burr. Right. I still haven't put a new gas bottle in. Let's see what happens. As you all know, I'm Mr. Organised. This table was lovely and clean a couple of months ago. It looks like a bomb's hit it again. I hope you enjoyed your dad's ring video yesterday, Ian. Like I say, if you're not too happy with it, you want a bit more patina on it, just let me know. I'm also going to need your address, so you can email me that, and I'll get that ring into the post to you as soon as possible. Right. So, obviously, we're going to go with... Let's go have Canada on it, hasn't it? I don't know really what I should do. I do have a lot of your coins with Canada on them. I suppose I should go with this sunny side up on the ring, really, shouldn't I? Remember? Yeah, okay, let's do that. So this is going to go sunny side up on the ring. So I will use my tapping block, my new one. That's the old one. If anybody wants that, you can have it. Make sure I've got the right size again. Yeah. So am I going to start using this tapping block nowadays? Well, hopefully. Let's find a ball bearing. We go over to Big Red. I mean, all you guys seem to love tapping blocks. I know Gary does. Perhaps I'll get into it now I've got the right size. What do you think, Gary? So, this is what we have so far. Not too shabby, as they say. So we need 17-degree folding die. Oh, look at that. Absolutely wonderful. Right, let's go back to Big Red again. Big Bad Red. And we'll finish folding it. as you can see, my table's fixed. You wouldn't believe I was an electrical engineer, would you, the way I sort of do my stuff here. I'm just a mess. I can't help it. Right, let's go over to Spike. Yeah, Ian, I'm even using your kitchen towels, mate. Hey, waste not, want not, fella. Come on. This is Spike, my ring stretcher, and it stretches your ring. Touch more. This is going to be quite a big ring, but I can adjust the size up or down for you. You see it's still got a bow in it. We want to get that out. I drove to Helsinki last night to drop off. I bought myself a like a trolley. I did have a sack barrow to take my stuff from my storage area to the market, but I bought myself like a garden sack barrow, not a sack barrow, a garden sort of trolley. And I left about, I don't know, 12 o'clock to miss any traffic. There's a bloody great big deer stood in the road. Huge bloody great thing. Wish I had my camera with me, I could have photographed it. But no, I didn't. See, we just want that close up to the top. Right, let's give it a bit more love with burning. It's a good thing we live in here. There's loads and loads of wildlife. A few years ago, when I was going to the market, there was 2 bloody great moose stood in the road, you know, with the big horns, the antlers. Huge thing, like a bleeding donkey. Or bigger than a donkey. Could have been as big as a giraffe, I suppose. Right. There we go. So now we want to go over to the bottom end of Spike. And these are all a bit big. A bit big, bit small. Hey, it's a bit early for me, guys. It's 7:30 in the morning. I haven't even had my Weetabix yet. Here's a reduction dice. Well, there's nothing in that one. That's a bit tight. What we got here? There you go. If it fits, it works. There's no rocket science this at all. Anybody can do this. Oh, Jesus wept. Do a bit more. A little bit this way, maybe. Right, what we got? There's bloody glass everywhere as well. Oh, you got the old text on the readage side of the coin. Canada. Right, let's chuck in Kate. It's a little bit of a edge there. Because I didn't punch it through with a punch. It's a couple of little sharp bits there. This is my girlfriend's emery board, what she does her nails with. Don't tell her I've got it. Oh, she does the video though, so she's going to know, isn't she? And there's no lip inside neither. Right, let's chuck in Felton John. Oh, Nikita, you will never know just how much I love you so. Right. Let's give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie coo. Oh yeah, I think it's going to come up quite pretty. Right, what we got? Like I say, my girlfriend finishes polishing these off when she's because my hands are still covered in polish and oil and Weetabix. Right. It's exciting, isn't it? What do you think of my hairy fingers? My dad had hairy fingers. Right. Remember. Yeah, I'm glad I did this side. It's the side it should have been, isn't it? You've still got the detail in there. There's old Lizzie. Good old Canada. There you go. What size we got? We have a size. I use the old American magic wand. This is a size 11 1/4. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. There you go, folks. Thanks, Ian. That's the first of your coins. Another 100 to do or more. It fits that finger perfectly. Have a great day. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.